Good morning. Tuesday, Jan 28, 2025. Let me double check real quick. Took me this long to launch the stream. Normally, I have a stream up and running by 6 a.m., if not earlier, but yes, it took me this long to figure out why the audio didn't work yesterday. Holy cow. I thought I fixed it last night, well, yesterday afternoon, when I realized that the stream didn't work yesterday, the audio, but that didn't fix it. So I spent a good half an hour this morning. That was annoying. That was super annoying. I was ready to give up. Too annoying. But I think I figured it out. So, all right, it works, thankfully. All right, so real quick on the recap. Let's go back first to BTC. I bought all kind of stuff yesterday. Yeah, I bought Bitcoin. I bought iBit. I bought a bunch of altcoin, all kind. Okay, so this go back to Sunday night. Not much to say as far as the buying opportunity. To me, one thing I will say about Bitcoin is I have given up the association that Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. I don't care if that is true or not true. I'm certainly not in the camp that associate with that kind of belief anymore. Bitcoin have a mind of its own, but to me, if it is anything more associated with Bitcoin or crypto in general, is risk on, risk off. Whether that will disconnect sometime down the road and separate itself, we will find out, right? But I'm not in the camp that Bitcoin moved because of inflation. Oh, come on, just stop it. All right, it's or it moved because of rarity or whatever. I don't care. I literally don't care. But for now, I am still bullish on Bitcoin until otherwise. That's all I can say. Did I mention iBit? Yesterday, I bought more iBit. Yeah, it was too tempting to ignore. In the 57 and 56, I outright bought another 100 shares yesterday, and sold a 59 cover calls. So over the past since last Friday, I have added 300 shares of iBit and sold cover calls from 59 to 62. And if they get taken away, I don't mind keeping the $600 in my pockets. Or if the shares stay, then my cost basis on those 300 shares would be somewhere in the 57. Right? So not a bad deal. Not a bad deal to own iBit at 57 and below. And then sell cover call for next week in the 60s. It is that simple. All right, I want to focus on MAG7 on the dump yesterday. First up, NVIDIA. It came down. Right now, it's bouncing pre-market 122. My take on the dump yesterday is, sure, is it an overreaction on the news? Possibly, most likely, but let the dust settle, especially on the hardware / chip. Okay, I would not jump in and buy NVIDIA. I did not. even though as tempting it were to sell puts, I'm just like, let's let the dust settle, right? It looked like it's bouncing, but now it looked like it could bounce and sit on the 200 MA. That's possible, right? It's possible, but it can go lower. It can go lower, and it will go lower if the demand for the hardware come down, right? For whatever reason, if it will come down if DeepSeek can prove that it is the real deal and it indeed require less computing power. Okay, so it is what it is. So I'm staying out of Nvidia. That being said, I like Google here. Yesterday I sold Google put spread where 185. All right, I'm using the 50 MA as my last line of defense, but this is enough juice, and I like what I saw. 185 yesterday. Yeah, it was plenty of juice to do a 185, 182. It was nice. It was nice to get 30. I think I got like 38 cents on my trade. I take it. All right, at that kind of level, I take it. So Google, the way I see it, if DeepSeek, I can call it if DeepSeek is a real deal and it save costs for people that utilize artificial intelligence, it's a good thing. It's a bad thing for the hardware maker, the Nvidia, the Dell, but it's a good thing for the Google, the Meta. They will have to spend a lot less to build up their AI empire. So no, I'm not. I take the gift yesterday, right? So Google's one, Microsoft is the other one. That's why Microsoft bounced hard, right? If you understand the implication of what happened with DeepSeek yesterday, yeah, that was a gift. Microsoft, I sold put spread. Yes, I did. I'm not sure if the opportunity will exist today, but yesterday, 410. Yeah, look. Yesterday, 410, 407, that was sweet. You got like 36 cents or something like that. I take it, okay? I take it. 410, you get the ref flow protection. Yeah, I like it. But that's where you play, okay? 410. Meta. Yeah, wow, what a candle, right? Yeah, I did not had a chance to play with Meta because it did this, and for once, people in Meta or investor or trader in Meta understood this is good. Less money will have to spend on hardware. How hard is it? How hard is it to understand? Oh my God. So yeah, Meta, nothing to do there, right? Amazon, same thing, right? It's just I can go on and on and on, and at the end of the day, I like Apple too yesterday, but Apple didn't do much. Okay, it's Nvidia is the one you want to avoid, right? The hardware maker, that's a real problem. Tesla didn't come down enough. I had an order in, but I guess my premium was a bit too optimistic. I was looking for, let me see, what was it again? I was looking for too much. Okay, whatever it is I was looking for, it was too much, but still, I might keep on trying again. But if I do a 362, 360, I think yesterday I asked for too much. I was asking for 75 cents, and it never got that much. But at 362, 360, if I can get 50 cents, that still might be worth it today. Okay, 362, that's, you get the ref flow. Basically, that's it, right? If there's no, if there was juice for something lower, going further out for next week, if I was gonna do something for next week, okay, a little bit dicey, I would go way below into like 315. Okay, that's how far I want to go. That far out. Oops. Next week. Yeah, see, it's no put. There's no option to go that far. It will be. There will be. It is. I just have a wrong setup there. But yesterday I was looking at the let's re-look. I was looking at the trading option on my E-Trade, which always expand out. But if I were gonna try again for this week, for this Friday, I do something like 350 and below. Okay. And yesterday it was not good. Yesterday was not good. So 350 and below, yeah, it's decent. Yeah, look at that. You can get 30 cents ish. 350, 347.5. That's not bad for this Friday. Yeah, yesterday I was being way aggressive. I was just trying to sell a put up here, like, you know, and that just didn't trigger. But today I might try something lower for less and be more comfortable, because I really like this range down here. So there's a lot of place to play. All right, when it comes down to MAG7, just not Nvidia. That's it. Good luck, people. Lots of earning this morning and tonight.